And staying with news from the education sector, a Jamaica Teachers Association JTA presidential candidate is questioning the response from the authorities regarding the rising violence and indiscipline in schools. Krista Campbell reports.
What is happening to our young people? What is happening? There's no respect for authority in schools anymore. What is happening?
Questions that Jamaica Teachers Association JTA presidential candidate Dr. Darian Henry wants Education Ministry officials and the police to answer in light of a seeming increase in violence among students at schools and against students and school administrators. He stressed that the recent video of several fights at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School, which prompted suspension of classes last week, does not reflect an isolated incident.
We have seen the videos of circulating students attacking each other with brutality and with alarming rates. We have seen our teachers being verbally abused, being physically abused, being threatened in classrooms. We're not talking about it. And they are being publicly humiliated. We have seen parents entering school compounds, confronting teachers.
Addressing the launch of a police youth club at Spot Valley High School in St. James on Monday, Dr. Henry painted a picture of an education system under siege and a deafening silence from those in authority who should be speaking out. He took aim at the National Parenting Commission.
The commission now has a new board, and I believe that Jamaicans want to hear a stronger national voice on parenting and discipline and emotional intelligence and family responsibility.
For Dr. Henry, better schools begin with stronger homes. But according to him, the violence playing out at and against schools are a construct of what he deems a family life and parenting crisis.
Too many of our children are raising themselves on social media. Too many of our parents have surrendered to the authority of TikTok and Instagram and the internet culture. Social media amplifies conflict and glorifies disrespect, which must be denounced.
And with senior police officers present, he challenged them and officials from the Education Ministry to acknowledge and address the undue burdens oftentimes placed on educators.
Many of our teachers are emotionally exhausted at school because the students are getting out of hand. Many principals and vice principals are stressed beyond measure. Many educators are victims of violence, threats, and intimidation. Harassment and unwanted advances. Assistant Commissioner Shand, in a lot of schools, a lot of female teachers are under siege. Who is going to save them? And in some instances, they sweep it under the carpet and behave like nothing no go so.
He's urged the authorities to work together to calm what he deems an undercurrent of anger in the society that has exposed children from an early age to violence.
Some are being socialized into violence long before the classroom. Yes, and then we ask the schools to fix it. We ask the principals and the poor teacher who are not getting enough money to fix it.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.